What is up, everyone? Cedric here, and this is a quick tour of the Nomad Hostel private room in Cancun. Spacious room. As you can see behind me, this is a queen-size bed. They provide you with some towels, a couple of nightstands. You have a remote control to the fan directly on top of the bed. Our first room with a TV here in Mexico. Got a little work desk and my model. What?
And there's like little termites or whatever they are.
Well,
Bed
there
bugs.
you go. Little yuck in that
Bed
thing.
bugs.
You also get a safe.
Nice, bed bugs.
Water. Are those bed bugs? Wait, are you serious? Well, we may have to check the bed for bed. We may have to check the bed for bed bugs. Oh my God, we may have to check the bed for bed bugs. There you go. All right, let's make our way over here. This is the air conditioning unit. You have a remote control to control that. And the bathroom is also quite spacious. Not a bad room. This stay here cost us, I believe, around $85 or so. Yeah, they provide you with soap, shampoo, some hand towels or face towels. Pretty basic setup, but you have what you need. Aside from the creepy crawlers that we just discovered, the room is pretty clean, but I'm not an expert on bed bugs, and because we saw those, we are going to want to check the bed. We'll lift the mattress up, look under it, and hopefully it's clear. Maybe you don't get eaten up tonight. And folks, that will conclude this tour of the private room at Nomad Hostels in Cancun, Mexico. Till the next one, guys, I am out.